Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself, part of attaining that dream life that you've always wanted, part of becoming successful, whatever that means to you, is saying no to inheriting people's debt and responsibilities. You should never offer to inherit someone's debt and responsibilities. There's a key difference between offering someone help, offering to help someone, offering to help make their life a little bit easier, maybe helping to take their children to school on days when they can't, maybe helping them with something that they don't understand. Maybe you have certain expertise in an area, so you help offer them. Maybe let's say you're really good at budgeting, so maybe helping to offer them with their monthly budgets and their yearly budgets, whatever it may be. There's a key difference between offering help and saying, I will do it for you, this will now be my responsibility. You don't want to be in a position where you've said, from now on I'll take your kids to school indefinitely, or from now on you send your money to me, I'll budget for you and be your accountant, practically tell you what you can and what you can't spend. That is a huge responsibility, because once you inherit that debt, once you offer to help, it will be a problem you going back and telling them, oh, do you know what, I don't think I can do this for you anymore. Oh, do you know what, I don't think I can take your kids to school anymore. Do you know what, I don't think I can actually help you financially anymore. I don't think I'll be able to advise you. Then that person looks at you a certain way and they think, well, why did you offer if you couldn't help? They can either look at you and say, thank you for helping me in the meantime, that's fine, I'll try and find alternative ways. Or why did you even offer to help me in the first place when I could have just kept the things the way they were? You've now put your relationship in an awkward situation, because you have to go back and tell them, I can't do this for you anymore, and they have to really go back to square one where they started from. So you have to make sure that you can help. Yes, offer your help where you can, offer to help people as much as you can, as long as it doesn't impact your life, as long as it doesn't now change your routine, as long as you don't inherit essentially what they can't deal with. You can't be taking on people's debt and people's responsibilities. People have to live lives for themselves, and you've got your own life to live as well. Don't accept responsibilities that you can't handle because you feel like, how will they look at me? Don't accept people's responsibilities when you know that you struggle to even pull through. Let's say you've said that you support someone financially, you know, you will, I don't know, pay their monthly phone bill or something because you're currently in a position to. What happens when you can't do that anymore? There's a difference between saying, yeah, okay, here's some money, pay off your phone bill here and there, but if you then take it on within yourself and you say, okay, sign it over to me, don't worry about it. What happens when you can't then provide at that point in time? You're then having to go back to tell them. So be careful what you take on. Do not inherit people's debt, because that now becomes your problem. That now becomes your situation. Yes, help where you can and make sure that you can fully sustain the help, but don't take on more than you can chew. Part of becoming the best version of yourself, it is caring for people and helping those around you, but don't inherit things that you can't deal with, okay? Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.